Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus SHF. It's important to understand that Figma is a powerful digital design and prototyping tool, widely used by designers for creating user interfaces and experiences. On the other hand, SHF, or S.H. Figuarts, is a popular brand of highly articulated collectible action figures, beloved by collectors and fans. These two products exist in completely different domains, serving distinct user needs and interests. Therefore, a direct comparison isn't really applicable. Figma stands out as a leading digital design platform, empowering designers to create stunning user interfaces and interactive prototypes with ease. Its real-time collaboration features allow multiple team members to work on a single project simultaneously, streamlining workflows significantly. From intricate vector graphics to dynamic animations, Figma provides a comprehensive suite of tools. Plus, being browser-based means you can access your projects from virtually any device, making it incredibly flexible for modern design teams. S.H. Figuarts, or SHF, represents a premium line of collectible action figures renowned for their exceptional detail and extensive articulation. Manufactured by Bandai Spirits, these figures bring beloved characters from various franchises to life, offering collectors a high degree of posability and display options. Each figure typically includes a range of interchangeable hands, faces, and accessories, allowing for dynamic scene recreation. They are a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate quality craftsmanship and accurate character representation in their collections. In conclusion, it's clear that Figma and SHF operate in entirely different realms. Figma is an indispensable software tool for digital designers, facilitating creative work and team collaboration on user interfaces. Conversely, SHF offers meticulously crafted physical action figures, appealing to collectors and fans of various media. Therefore, asking which is better is akin to comparing apples and oranges. Your choice depends entirely on your specific needs. Do you require a powerful design platform, or are you looking to expand your collection of high-quality figures?
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.